Ah! Go. Look at it. You don't want to get too close though, because then you'll scare it away. Look. I'm gonna try poking it. Ah! Ah!
Hey guys, so welcome to another nature vlog. This is part 2, and we're following like a really scary stuff right now. So yeah, let's just hop in.
So update on what we've been doing. We finally escaped from the leaf cage. The leaves let us go, and I chased the giant squirrel all the way over here. Let's get started. Okay, now we're just gonna keep on going forward. Let's see what kind of naturist things. Is that moss? That is some good. Ah, my hand! Ah! Poisonous moss. I need to get to a hospital quick. You won't believe what I just caught. Look at it. It's such a precious little stick. It's a baby. We're gonna set it free. Be free, little stick! Okay, I'm gonna keep on going. Keep on. Stop!
Well, but keep it playing.
False alarm, guys. It was just the giant squirrel again. Look at it. I think it's gonna be following me. Come on, giant squirrel. Is it okay if I touch you now? Ah. So now I'm just gonna stalk the squirrel and see what it does. It's eating lots of leaves. Oh, that's gross. It carries a book bag around. Look at that. Ew! I'm gonna name her Felicia. Ah! Here, Felicia! Here, Felicia! Felicia! Oh! Bye, Felicia! Now I think it's gonna try to climb this tree. What's it doing? It's trying to climb that tree. Felicia has successfully climbed the tree. Ah! Now she's on the floor. What's she doing? So uncivilized, Felicia. She seems to almost be acting like a chimpanzee. Do you hear that? Something's coming. Felicia, no! This is serious! What is it? We found out what it is. We need to be very quiet, otherwise we might die. See that red thing over there? That red thing. It's gonna kill us. We have to stay low. Stay low and to the ground. It probably won't hurt us. I think it saw us! Run! It's chasing us! It's chasing us! Run, Felicia! Run! The gate. I think we escaped it, Felicia. What's wrong, Felicia? Oh, you're taking a pee. Okay. So Felicia is there. Oh. I'm not going to pick that up for you, Felicia. Stupid Felicia's backpack. Felicia! Pick up your backpack. I'm gonna slap you if you don't get that backpack. Okay, Felicia. You gonna go get your backpack now? Did I knock some sense into you? Felicia, you could have broken this expensive $5 camera. I have found a chicken. You see it? It's over there. Look at those chickens. Not you. You're not chicken, Felicia. Felicia is gassy today. Listen to her. Gassy Felicia. Okay, Felicia, let's go over. Good job. Oh, good job, Felicia. It's okay. Stop fainting, Felicia. Don't fall down on the pavement, Felicia. Good job. Huh? I think she's drunk. That's just what's going on here. She's drunk. Did you? Oh, you're gonna listen to your music now. Felicia's listening to her music because she can afford Samsung headphones. Very, very, very evolved creature Felicia is. Are you gonna moonwalk now? Seeing my camera? Felicia, where did you go, Felicia? Felicia! Where is Felicia and my camera? Felicia! Felicia! Ah! Felicia! Felicia! Ah! Felicia! Ah! So guys, this is my Aunt Susan. Look at my aunts. Aunt Susan, Aunt Lily, Aunt Billy. They're all, oh no! Why did you kill my aunts, you heartless creature? Everybody's always worrying about the aunts. Nobody cares about the uncles. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Oh, that's scary. We're almost at our destination, guys. Almost there. Look at that tree, though. That is an awesome tree. That is a great tree there. 10 out of 10. Good job. You see that bird? That's a rare bird. That's what that is. Very rare. Felicia likes eating birds, though. Oh, no. She's going to eat that bird. But it flew away. Look at it. It flew away. Good. Where did my camera go? Again. Can't find Felicia. Can't find my crayon. My crayon gone missing, too. Can't believe my crayon. Felicia stole my crayon, but she stuck it up her nose. Felicia! Fuck. Felicia, where did you? Felicia, give me the camera. Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Felicia! Felicia! Felicia, for God's sake! Guys, we'll finally find my home. I'm so happy. I've never been so happy to find my home. Oh, and she's taking a pee. Okay. This is my home. I love my home. My home is amazing. Well, I'm sorry, Felicia. Felicia's got to go home too. Bye, Felicia! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out Felicia's channel called Chloe Bug. Yeah.